Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly explain what a shell is on your computer. On macOS and Linux, you interact with a shell using apps like Terminal, and on Windows, you'd use Windows PowerShell. These are applications that allow you to type out commands and send them straight to the core of your operating system to be processed. Basically, the shell acts as a translator. It takes the commands you type, then translates them into machine language so that your operating system can understand and execute them. In reality, there are quite a few different types of shells. For example, on macOS, to check which shell you're currently using, you can just type the command echo $0. The system will return the name of that shell. In my case, the result is ZSH. Previously, macOS used a different default shell called bash, and the shell on Windows right now is PowerShell. Because every shell is like a unique translator, the way they translate is also different. Let's look at a simple example. Let's say I declare an array called users containing two elements, Ethan and Alex. If I want to pull up the very first user and I'm using ZSH, I have to type echo users1. ZSH will translate this command into machine language and return the result, Ethan. However, if my shell was bash, I would need to use the command echo users0 instead. The reason is that in bash, the first position in an array starts at 0, whereas in ZSH, it starts at 1. Because of this, if I try to use bash syntax on a machine running ZSH, the command will fail and won't return any results. To sum it up simply, you just need to think of the shell as a middleman standing between you and your operating system. It takes the commands you type, translates them into machine code, and then the OS processes them and hands you back the results. Thanks for watching the video. Catch you in the next one.